Hey there guys, today I'm gonna show you how to import and export 3D models between rooms in the game, like this one example over here. The first step we must do is select the model we want to extract. Before starting, you must have 3 programs on your computer. They are Blender, BUMDAT, and my Toolset, this one right over here. I will leave the links for downloading on the description. After downloading the tools, you must go to your AFS Explorer and select which room you want to extract the model. On my case, I will use this one right over here. After extracting it, open it with BUMDAT. Be sure to uncheck this option, then go here, import to list 1, and select the room you just extracted. Click on SMD, save as 3D object. Now you must open Blender and import the object here. With the model loaded, you must now find which model you want to extract. On my case, I will use this vehicle over here. It is split in 3 different parts, but I use just this one. Get his ID number over here. Now open the Toolset, go to SMD tool, open the room we extracted, check the model entry here, it's 29, go to my Toolset and put 29 over here. As my tool begins on index 1 and the BUM that extract as the first index being 0, we must update here by 1. So if it's 29 over here, we must put 30 over here. And here we can see the model number. Then we click on Export all models and export all textures. After extracting all of these, go to the Toolset folders, and here you will see SMD folder is being created, the room name folder, and here are the components you just extracted. We go here to models, then look for the 4th model over here. Copy it, then go again on textures. Now we must know which textures are being used by this particular model. We can see them right over here. 6 to 11. So select all of them, copy it, and paste. After doing that, we just need to import back to the room we want them to spawn. So close this file. I will use the first room of the game to test it. So we just go here, add new model, find the model you just extracted, and add the textures in the sequential order. Six, 7, up to 11. Now it is done, the model and the textures are imported. You just need to instance this object on the room. For that, you go here and edit, add new entry, Then go for the last entry. Here you set up where the model will appear. Now we must specify which model we want to spawn with this new entry we just added. For that, we go here to model number, and below here we can see how many models there are in the room right now. But there is one thing to notice. This number over here starts with index 1, and the game reads the models starting by index 0. So our last imported model is 148, and that's the number we put here. And here we can see it uses the same amount of textures. And now we just need to set up these indexes correctly. And there is one more last thing to notice. My tool starts from index 1 here on textures, but the bin models read the textures starting by index 0, so is a similar thing if comparing to this model number over here. So here we see 61, but our last texture added is 60. So that's the number we put here. And then we just go backwards. After doing that, we now just need to define where we want the model to spawn. For that, I will use Blender. Over here we start a new project. Just remembering, I will test this new model on our first room in the game. So I want it to spawn right here, close to this bridge. I go here to edit mode, then I'll get one vertex. After select this, we can click here to expand and see the coordinates over here. So we just put that in our tool. As this particular model is a little big, I needed to increase a little bit some dispositions. Now you just need to save the file and import it back at the game. It did not spawn because I missed this little minus over here. So now I'm gonna save it again and import it again. Let's test it. And here it is. It is all black like that because my lit file is modified. This is that big vehicle we found at the room where Ashley gets trapped. And of course, it has no collision. SMD models have no collision, so you must insert that separately. And that's all for now. I hope you enjoy it.